Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. And first of all, I'm so sorry for so infrequent on YouTube. I wasn't able to upload videos here due to some personal affairs and involvements, but you guys are the best. Due to your love and support, I have reached 500 plus subscribers on my YouTube channel, and now I can say that I have 500 plus my family members, and for that, thank you so much guys. Thank you, won't be enough for that, I know, but still I'm saying this, and lots of love. So today's video is all about creating this eye look with a mini review about a product which is under Rs.500, and that should be in your vanity, and that is a eyeshadow palette which was launched by Wet n Wild India, and that is this one. Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, Rosy in the Air, and this product is the much hyped and out of stock product. Whenever I try to place my order for this one, I found that this one is out of stock, but last time I saw that this particular product is in stock, and I had to place my order for this because I really wanted to try this one, because I have heard that this one is the dupe of Modern Princess palette by ABH, and yeah, the color combination is so warm tone like this. And for this festive season, this is the best eyeshadow palette. This retails for only ₹4.99, and all the colors are so awesome. Like, if you want to play with colors this puja, then you should buy this. All the colors you have in matte finish except these two. These two are shimmery ones, not exactly shimmery, they are they have some satiny finish, and they are so much pigmented. See the pigmentation. I really like the color combination of it. You have two transition colors, and here you have the colors to play with. Here you have a lilac shade or a purplish undertone color, and all the color combinations are so awesome. And you will see some mirror fallouts, but it is very much obvious when you are gonna apply some matte eyeshadows. You definitely see some mirror fallouts, but except that, this particular eyeshadow palette is so handy and compact, and also travel friendly. This is paraben free too, and overall the packaging and the color combination, the price range wise, I really like this palette. And this is my mini review. If you want to know how to get this eye look, then please keep on watching.